Okay. This is the video for dispositions to teach. First part of the questions, excuse me, my name is Trent Rattleball. Anyway, let's get into the questions. First question is, what disposition do I think I possess that will make me a successful teacher? Well, I do believe all students can learn. I believe in being a role model and teaching students to treat others as they should be treated, and to prepare them for the real world, not give them anything that's not going to be useful in the real world. I understand there's basic skills that I need to teach them, but I want to try to focus more on what is going to be applicable, after school to help them become successful citizens. Number two, what dispositions do you need to work on before you enter the classroom in the first year? Well, I would have to say my community involvement would have to improve, because I'm just not too keyed into the community right now. I've just started my first teaching job this fall, summer really, but and that's helping me to get more in tune with the community. So I believe that's something I can improve on, that I am working on improving on. That and I'm kind of an alpha male, so I need to learn to ask others for help, especially the veteran teachers, which they've been really good in helping me so far. Number three is, what does a professional educator look like, and how do they behave? Well, what they look like is a professional person. They don't, they set the tone for the students. They don't come into class with wrinkled clothes, and they don't start class unorganized. They model the behaviors that they expect out of their students. That's how they should look. When the students look at a teacher, that should be their role model to become successful, is to be as organized and prepared as the teacher is prepared. Now, the standards that guide my thinking and actions, I have them up on my board in my room, and I don't have a whole bunch of rules posted in my room. I just have three basic morals or ethics that I follow. And the first one is safety. I want to make sure all my students are safe. The second one is integrity, because I believe integrity is one of the main attributes any person needs to be successful. And one of the callbacks I use to get my students' attention is I say integrity, and they reply back with doing what's right when nobody's looking. I want to instill that every day, and I do say that multiple times every day, so they understand how important it is to do the right thing even if nobody's looking. The last thing is respect, and not just respect for me as a teacher, but respect for their peers. And I try to teach my students to celebrate success, and we don't down on people for failures. Actually, we use failures as learning opportunities. So we celebrate success. We do not make fun of each other. We are not. We don't use sarcasm in my room. I think that should be about it. Thank you very much, Dr. Vickers. I know you're going to be looking at this. Hopefully I answered all the questions fully. And thank you for a great course.